Let's do a haul. All right, so this is the first outfit. Ignore the bathroom. I live in a van, so this is my husband's office. I don't really know where I'm supposed to film this. Because changing in my van is really annoying because I can't stand up in it. So this is the first thing I got from Temu. It's this little bandana shirt. It is like thin, but it works. It's cute. I'm not mad about it. And then I got these jeans. Okay, I am really impressed so far. We're really doing well. Let me see if you can see the full fit. But yeah, the jeans are cute. Okay, so this is just same jeans, but this is a different top. So honestly, still like good quality. It's not like one layer of material like the last shirt, like it's lined. And I like this because you can wear it a few different ways. Like, I love shirts like this, and they're really hard to find. Like, maybe not online, but I really don't do a whole lot of online shopping. I actually do a lot of thrifting, but because thrifting has gotten so trendy, and where I live in St. Pete, so many girls go to the thrift stores and buy everything and then upsell it for like an $8 shirt for like $40. Like, it's just getting kind of gross. But yeah, that's the back. And there's like a bunch of different, I have to look at the photo again. There's like a bunch of different ways you could wear this. Second pair of jeans. Hopefully you can see. And then this is this cute little, it's giving Y2K, decent quality, lined. It ties in the back, it's a halter. You could probably tie this a few different ways. The only thing I don't like about the jeans is these stars are pleather. I don't know if that's how it was in the original photo, but they fit me and they still feel good quality, like still like comparable to like jeans from Forever 21 or something. This little star chain that just clips onto your belt loops, just to play into the little star theme. So this is like a little tennis skirt thing. It has like shorts underneath. It fits really good. I'm just shocked that I guessed the right size for everything. But the only concern, I have a feeling this zipper probably might not make it, so that's sad. But I do love the fit of this. And I'm kind of living my like scene girl vibes that I never got to live when I was younger, because I was so into like screamo and hardcore bands. But my mom was really strict about the way I looked, kind of like in a controlling way, like almost like emotionally abusive. Actually, no, my therapist said it was emotionally abusive. Like, I couldn't wear makeup a certain way, couldn't wear my hair a certain way. So like now that I'm an adult, I'm just like having fun with fashion and like wearing stuff that like I want to. Like, I don't know why I've like put these restrictions on what I can and can't wear. But I just don't care. Like, I'm about to be 30 in November, and yeah, I'm just gonna dress like how I want. And young me would have been so proud and would have thought I was so cool. This is the top. It's these little mushrooms. Like, the material is like really soft, and the graphic is actually pretty vibrant. I was really concerned that like the graphic was gonna suck, but it works, and it's super cute. I also got this necklace. I have one in pink already. And if you think it's too much, I don't care. I'm also a circus performer. I do acrobatics, like aerial stuff, and I do like fire eating and fire dancing. So I will definitely be getting my use out of this professionally and in my personal life. tube top with like mesh. I feel like it could be layered with stuff. I feel like it could be cute with like the jeans I got. Like there's a lot that I can do with this, just like a nice black basic. I'm going to accessorize it and probably change my skirt. All right, this is like a little leather harness thing. Obviously it's like pleather. It was really confusing to get on the first time because like these aren't set up, so I had to look at the photo. But you can see it in the back. Can you guys see it? Yeah. And like it wraps around a few times and then buckles. I can definitely like cut this just because like there was a lot of excess, but it's good because it's one size fits all, so there's like extra room if you need to adjust it. I got these little arm thingies. These are so cute. Like this is the type of stuff that I always wanted to buy from Hot Topic, and like I remember one time I like begged my grandma to take me into Hot Topic, and she was like a diehard Catholic, and she was like, Kyla, what is this? And I was like, I just want a Care Bear shirt, Grandma. And she's like, yo, this store is horrible. But it's not like I took her into Spencer's. This is who I wanted to be in high school. So this skirt was way easier to zip, a way better zipper. It is longer. There are no shorts underneath it, so noted. But I like it. It's cute. She's cute. Yeah, I feel good about it. I think it's adorable. I feel like I might wear this with like heels or like my Doc Martens or something. This is definitely kind of a flop. This was like a very evanescence-y shirt, like witchy. But it was supposed to have these like buckle things. I think I'm wearing it backwards. These buckles are like really cheap and just like costumey, and like it's very unfinished, like they're fraying. So I know how to sew, so I'll probably like just sew these straps and like cut the buckles off. But I could still definitely wear this with something. I'm not like a fan of it with the skirt, although it is turning into kind of a dress thing. I don't know. I just love the sleeves, and it's very like Evanescence, goth girl vibes, and I'm still happy with it. Like, I'll make it work. But yeah, Tim Gunn, make it work. Thank you for watching my Temu haul. Please let me know which one of these outfits you liked best. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.